habits that cause colds and how to fix them. Nobody enjoys a case of the sniffles, yet somehow, colds always manage to make an unwelcome appearance, usually right when you need to be your most productive self. But here's the kicker. What if you are accidentally holding open the door for them? Yeah, your daily habits might be giving colds the VIP treatment they don't deserve. In this video, we're diving into the sneaky habits that can make you more prone to catching colds, and more importantly, how to fix them. You'll laugh, you might wince, relatable mistakes incoming, but you'll also leave with practical tips to boost your immune system and kick those colds to the curb. Let's get into it. Picture this. It's flu season and you're soldiering on through your week. But little do you know, your own habits might be the invisible culprits landing you in tissue land. Let's break it down. Skipping hand washing? We get it. You're in a rush, or maybe just kind of lazy. But doing the quick wet and dash routine isn't going to help. Germs are everywhere. On your phone, doorknobs, that suspicious pen at work. Remember, they're not paying rent, so don't let them stay on your hands. Poor hydration habits. Coffee drinkers, this one's for you. No, that triple shot espresso doesn't count as water. Dehydration throws a wrench in your body's immune defense, leaving you wide open to pesky germs. And when was the last time you voluntarily drank plain water? Yeah, we thought so. Sacrificing sleep for late nights. Netflix bingers, raise your hand. Your body needs quality sleep to repair and recharge. Staying up until 2 a.m., just one more episode, robs your immune system of its nightly upgrade. And yes, there's a reason why the binge regret hits you the hardest the next morning. Overworking and stressing out. Hello, hustle culture. Stress might feel productive in the moment, but it's like taking a direct hit to your immune system. Add in overstretching yourself, and you'll find colds waiting with open arms. Ignoring diet. Eating chips for dinner? Skipping that apple a day? An imbalanced diet can leave your body lacking crucial nutrients like vitamin C and zinc. The real MVPs of immune health. Your taste buds might celebrate, but your immune system, not so much. Touching everything, then touching your face. Your face is not a scratching board. Trust us, it's the favorite highway for germs to travel. So unless you enjoy giving colds a head start, hands off. Dressing like it's summer in December. You know the type. It's freezing outside, but they're rocking a t-shirt because apparently fashion wins over frostbite. If this is you, congratulations. You're making it far too comfortable for that cold virus to move right in. Now that we've called out the usual suspects, it's time we show them who's boss. On to the fixes. Relax, we're not here to scold you. Nobody's perfect, but small changes can make a huge difference. Let's talk about how to outwit colds for good, without giving up coffee or dignity. Phew. Wash those hands properly. Newsflash, hand washing isn't just for hospital dramas. Lather for at least 20 seconds, and for fun, happy birthday twice, out loud if you dare. Don't skimp on soap or fresh towels either. Clean hands equal fewer face palms. Hydration made fun. If plain old water makes you sigh, jazz it up with lemon slices, mint leaves, or whatever makes you feel like a bougie spa guest. Can't stay consistent? Download a hydration app, because yes, there's an app for literally everything. Fix your sleep, one step at a time. Set alarms not just for waking up, but also for going to bed. Add comfy pillows, blackout curtains, or even a white noise machine. Next thing you know, you'll be snoozing with Olympic-like efficiency. Chill out! No, seriously! Stress might be hard to avoid, but you don't need to carry it like a status symbol. Experiment with stress-relieving techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or taking random dance breaks in your kitchen. guaranteed endorphins. Eat for health and happiness. Think color. Easy immune-boosting wins come in the form of leafy greens, oranges, ginger, and berries. Have a sweet tooth? No worries. Dark chocolate might just boost immunity too. Keep hands off your precious face. Pretend your face has an invisible force field. If it itches that bad, grab a tissue instead. Bonus points if you can turn this into a fun personal challenge. Dress for success against colds. Layers, folks. They're not just stylish. They're your best bet for survival when winter strikes back. Throw on that scarf or shiny coat. You're not just staying warm, you're staying healthy. We're not done yet. Let's kick things up a notch with some additional tricks to dodge colds, just like you dodge awkward small talk. Immune-boosting drinks. Sip herbal teas like ginger, chamomile, or peppermint to warm up and fight germs. Bonus points if you serve it in a fancy mug. Proper sneezing and coughing etiquette. Please, for the love of your fellow humans, cover your nose and mouth with your elbow, not your hands. Let's keep germs stuck to fabric, not being passed around like party favors. Keep moving. Exercise helps keep your body strong and your immune system ready to rumble. Gentle stretches, a brisk walk, or yoga are all great options. Good news, dancing around your living room counts too. Keep shared spaces clean. Wipe down surfaces regularly, especially things like your desk, phone, or gym equipment. Here's your excuse to get wipes that smell really fancy. Treat yourself. Learn the art of polite handshake avoidance. Flu season? Nuh-uh. A friendly wave, an enthusiastic thumbs up, or even a fist bump will do the trick. Why shake hands when you can bump elbows like a pro? You made it this far, which means either you're guilty of at least 3 of these habits, or you're desperate to stay out of bed with a box of tissues. Either way, it's time to make changes. The secret sauce here is balance. Nobody's perfect, and that's fine. The point is to be more mindful about the little things. Keep your hands clean, drink some water, give your immune system the tools to fight back, and for the love of scarves, dress for the weather. Here's your chance to take action. Start small, laugh a little when you catch yourself making mistakes, and commit to being a little kinder to your immune system. Because seriously, who wants to be the sniffling friend in the group? Not you. Oh, and before we wrap it all up, let us know in the comments, what's your go-to cold prevention tip? Share the wisdom, share the humor, and while you're at it, smash that like button and subscribe for more sniffle-free goodness. We'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, friends.